Salary entered and Kamau said, "Budgeting is for broke people." Saturday, his money had already enjoyed itself. Nyama choma and one drink became 7. Midnight shopping, LED lights for chickens he does not own. Monday morning, balance 47 shillings. Panic entered the room. Lunch, ugali without stew. I'm practicing discipline. By Wednesday, things got creative. Tea without sugar, walking everywhere, watching others enjoy life. That evening, Kamau did something dangerous. He made a budget. Next month, he still had money. Budgeting is not punishment. It's giving your money instructions before it runs away.